Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about using Gutenberg block for upsells in WooCommerce and EDD web stores. Using the UpsellMaster Pro plugin, your ultimate solution for seamlessly integrating upsells throughout your website. So how can we do this? First, why is it important to show upsells on any WordPress page? Basically, integrating upsells within WordPress page content boosts revenue by seizing user engagement, facilitating additional purchases, and providing a personalized shopping experience, ultimately enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. In this example, you can see an upsell carousel on a blog post. So, how to add this Gutenberg block for upsells? Just go to the edit mode of any page and choose the block UpsellMaster. Here you can see some configuration options you can change, which is discussed in detail in the plugin documentation page. After making your changes, don't forget to update. That's it. Now you know how to use Gutenberg block for upsells in WooCommerce and EDD web stores. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips, tricks and know-hows related to this plugin and to many more WooCommerce and Easy Digital Downloads plugin. Also, you can visit us at www.pluginsandsnippets.com. Thank you.